Bravo, Juliet. Hold short of Golf, Calera 725.
Show 161 clear.
Go ahead.
Show 161 cleared Vancouver. Dam 2 departure. Flight plan route. Depart runway 35 left. Squawk 1716.
Dam 2, 35 left and 1716 west, 161, thank you.
Show 161 readback is correct. I checked gate 78. It's uniform. There is flow into Vancouver. What's your proposed build up time?
Go ahead for 161.
Show 161, just heard back. Your wheels up time is approved for 0145.
45, thanks.
Canada 322, taxi. Air Canada 322, apron your discretion to spot 15, call me on ground 12535. 535, spot 15, Air Canada.
Blizzard 360, 5 knots, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Clear land 35 right, stable going at 18, Charlie Heavy.
Jazz 408, exit Charlie. Canada 154, contact departure 124 to 52, once you're airborne. Blizzard 350 at 4 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 35 left. Takeoff 35 left, Air Canada 154. Zebra 1 Yankee Charlie exit Delta 4 and contact ground on 125 to full 35.
535, bird 1 X, sorry. Echo 8, we believe on down 76, back over.
Yeah, that's what I'm showing.
Thank you.
Brigadier switch at 202, ready push. Gate 12.
The 202 apron pushback, gate 12, your discretion.
Your discretion, gate 12, watch the 202. Clear switch at 211. Vancouver with Victor.
Jet 211 cleared Vancouver. Dam 2 departure, flight plan route. Depart runway 35.